'Twas the night before Christmas, almost. The air was crisp and the stars twinkled like tiny diamonds in the sky. It was Christmas Eve and Santa was stressing. Presents were wrapped, reindeer were fed, and the North Pole was buzzing with excitement. But his sleigh was acting up. The engine sputtered and the runners looked like they had seen better days. Mrs. Claus told him to get it checked weeks ago. Too busy, he'd said. Now he was paying the price. The sleigh was in no condition to fly and time was running out.
Rudolph, you okay, buddy? Santa asked, his voice tinged with worry. Rudolph nuzzled Santa's hand, but his usually bright nose was dimming.
Don't worry, Santa, said Bernard, the head elf, rushing in with a toolbox. I tinkered with the sleigh. Just a little adjustment.
Santa took a deep breath. The cold air filled his lungs, and he tried to calm his racing heart. With a final nod to Bernard, Santa climbed into his sleigh. The reindeer pawed at the ground, ready to take off into the night sky. As the sleigh lifted off, Santa waved to Bernard and Mrs. Claus, hoping for a smooth journey ahead. Rudolph's red nose ain't what it used to be. As Santa and the reindeer took off, everything seemed fine. The night was clear, the stars were twinkling. But high above the clouds, Rudolph's nose started dimming again. Rudolph began to look tired and strained, and then a strange beeping sound filled the air.
What's that noise? Santa wondered aloud, his beard bristling with concern. Suddenly, a screen lit up in the sleigh, flashing red.
It was the gas detector, a new safety feature.
Beep! Beep! Methane detected, the robotic voice announced. Methane? That meant there was a gas leak.
Uh-oh, Rudolph mumbled. Too much reindeer food.
Hey, 7 Solutions to the rescue. Back at the North Pole, the team at 7 Solutions was celebrating Christmas Eve, unaware of the drama unfolding in the sky. Suddenly, their phones buzzed. It was an alert from Santa's sleigh. The methane levels were rising rapidly. Panic set in.
Caitlin was busy making sure everyone had enough eggnog.
Duty calls, Alex shouted, grabbing his toolkit. The team sprang into action. Using their magical connection to the sleigh, they quickly diagnosed the problem.
Looks like Rudolph's exhaust fumes are the culprit, whispered Cormac.
A gas-safe Christmas for all. With 7 Solutions expert guidance, Santa was able to ventilate the sleigh.
Rudolph's nose stopped flickering and shone bright once more.
The crisis was averted.
From that day forward, Santa made sure his sleigh had the best gas detection system money could buy.
He even hired 7 Solutions to install detectors in all the elf workshops.
Santa learned a valuable lesson that Christmas Eve, gas safety is no joke.
Merry Christmas from 7 Solutions.
From Alex, Paige, Caitlin, Cormac, Nathan and Lawrence.
And the rest of the team at 7 Solutions, we wish you a very Merry Christmas and a safe and happy holiday season. Remember, whether you're at home or flying high in the sky, gas safety is crucial.
Install a detector, protect your loved ones.
And have a gas-safe Christmas.